Okay, let's start it. Try to find him as fast as you can.
You click on him?
Nope, just look for him.
I see him, I see him.
We'll keep looking, make sure that's him.
Yep, right there.
Did you just put something?
No.
Hi there. Knock it off.
Keep watching.
What?
Look for the other one. You're supposed to find 5. Hurry, hurry.
I'm trying.
Babe, you missed it. How come you shut my computer? Was that funny?
No.
Give me a high five.
It wasn't.
It wasn't.